Hey friends! Today we're going to be playing Guess the Macronutrient. Are you ready? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like for more. Let's jump right in. So, what is a macronutrient? Macronutrients are nutrients required by the body in large amounts to provide energy and to support bodily functions. They include carbs, fats, and proteins. So first we have carbs. Carbohydrates are a type of nutrient found in food that give our bodies energy. Like how fuel makes a car go. It gives us energy to play, run, and do all the things that we enjoy doing. Next, we have protein, which is a special nutrient found in food that help our bodies stay strong, grow, and repair themselves, just like building blocks help make a strong tower. Protein is like the body's repair crew. It helps build muscles, bones, skin, and other parts of our bodies. It also helps us fight off germs so we can stay healthy. Lastly, we have fats, which provide a concentrated source of energy, support cell growth, and protect organs. And they also help absorb certain vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So the three macronutrients are carbs, which is found in whole grains, fruits and veggies, protein, which is found in beans, fish, dairy, and meat, and we have fats, which include oils and butters. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Today, there will be 30 questions, and you'll have 8 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Let's get started. What food group includes bread and cereal, carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Carbohydrates. What food group includes avocados, carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Fat. Great job. What food group includes cereal, carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Carbohydrates. Which food group includes fruit, carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Carbohydrates. Which food group does banana fall under, carbohydrates, fat, or protein? Carbohydrates. Which food group do beans fall under? Carbohydrates, fat, or protein? They actually fall under carbohydrates and protein. Which food group does tofu fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. Which food group does fish fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. Which food group does pasta fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Carbohydrates. Did you get that one? Which food group does plain yogurt fall under? Carbohydrates, fat, or protein? Protein. Which food do peanuts fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein and fat. Which food group do walnuts fit under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein and fat. What's your favorite kind of nut? Which food group does cottage cheese fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? protein and fat. Which food group does butter fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Fat. Which food group do eggs fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein and fat. Which food group does cheese fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein and fat. What's your favorite kind of dairy? Which food group does peanut butter fall under? Carbohydrates, fat, or protein? Fat and protein. Which food group does milk fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? It's a protein and a fat. Which food group does olive oil fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Fat. Which food group do sunflower seeds fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Sunflower seeds are a protein and a fat. Are you enjoying the questions so far? So take a quick moment and hit that subscribe button below. Which food does shrimp fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. Which food group does chicken fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. You're doing a great job. Which food group does steak fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? It's a protein and a fat. Which food does beef fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein and fat. What's your favorite type of meat? Which food group do potatoes fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Carbohydrates. Which food group do pork chops fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Pork chops are a protein and a fat. Which food group does oatmeal fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Oatmeal is a carbohydrate and a protein. What food group does edamame fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. Which food group do chickpeas fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. Which food group do peas fall under? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein. So how many did you guess? Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for playing with Live Nourish today, where we make nutrition learning fun and enjoyable.